Good morning all of you. In last video we shall learn about the genetic terminology. Now today in this lecture we shall learn about monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross in inheritance and variation. The first starting monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross the monohybrid cross means it is a crossing between only one pair of contrasting character or only one heritable character are studied in monohybrid cross. Mono means single pair of contrasting character, single pair of visible contrasting character, and it is studied on the monohybrid cross. For example, in pea plant, Mendel studied the several pair of contrasting character and only one pair is selected in this cross. For example, in pea plant, height of stem. In pea plant there are two characters or traits. One is a tall and another is a dwarf. This is a two traits. One traits tall and dwarf. In monohybrid cross, the only one pair of contrasting character is selected and crossing takes place in between these pair of contrasting characters. The first, these are phenotypes. Tall and dwarf pea plants. Genotype of this plant. Genotype. Capital T and small t, small t. These are the genotypes in the pea plant. It is a tall is a dominating and dwarf is a recessive character. There are gametes. Gametes, capital T and small t. The next one, the F1 generation. F1 generation in pea plant, the crossing takes place male and female plants and the offspring is produced capital T small t. The F1 generation is tall. The F1 generation is produced tall, but this hybrid tall is produced in F1 generation. In monohybrid cross, the first filial generation is obtaining and this first generation is tall. The next generation, F2 generation in pea plant, with the help of checkerboard method, count the F2 generation. The male and female plants, capital T, small t, capital T and small t. The F2 generation in pea plant, F2 generation, capital T, the mating takes place in two plants, tall, capital T small t, hybrid tall, capital T small t, hybrid tall plants and small t dwarf plant. The F2 is obtained in monohybrid cross. The 3 plants is tall and only 1 plant is produced the dwarf, the phenotypic ratio in this monohybrid cross phenotypic ratio is obtained. Phenotypic ratio in pea plant, the tall plants is obtaining, tall produces 3 plants and dwarf only 1 plant is produced. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1. In pea plants, the phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 3:1. Means 3 plant is obtained tall and only 1 is dwarf plant is produces. The ratio is phenotypic ratio 3:1, and genotypic ratio in monohybrid cross, genotypic ratio is tall capital T, the genetic constitution capital T, and small t. The capital T is obtaining 1 plants, capital T, 2 plants, and small t is a 1. Means the ratio, the genotypic ratio in monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. The monohybrid cross, the genotypic ratio is obtaining 1:2:1. This is a monohybrid cross. The monohybrid cross means the crossing takes place in pure parents and select the only 1 pair of contrasting character, and they showing the 2 types of ratios. The phenotypic ratio is obtained 3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. The next point, dihybrid cross. The dihybrid cross means the crossing takes place between 2 parents, but dihybrid cross the crossing takes place in 2 pair of contrasting characters. Select the 2 pair of contrasting characters. In pea plants, for example, pea plants, the 2 pair of contrasting character are studied under the dihybrid cross experiment. The 2 characters, for example, round and wrinkled. This round and wrinkled, round is a dominating character and wrinkled is a recessive character. Round shape of seeds and wrinkled shape of seeds. These are 2 characters. One is a dominating and another is a recessive. The another 1 character, yellow and green seed. Yellow and green seeds. Means dihybrid cross. In this cross, the example, the 2 pair of contrasting character in pea plants, round, wrinkled, yellow and green seeds. And these are the phenotypes. These are the phenotypes. In genotype in this round, yellow seeds and green wrinkled seeds, genotypes capital R, capital Y. These are the genotypes. And wrinkled green seeds small r, small r, small y, small y. These are the genotypes, and the crossing is takes place between these round yellow seeds and wrinkled green seeds. The F1 generation is obtained, and this F1 generation capital R, capital Y, the F2 generation capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This F1 generation is obtaining, and this F1 generation is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. These plants, the F1 generation is formed, and this F1 generation is obtaining round yellow seeds, round and yellow seeds. This is the first generation. These plants is round yellow seeds is formed, and this F1 is selfing is takes place and obtaining the F2 generation. And this F2 generation is occurring, that times produce the 4 types of gametes. In F1 generation, there are 4 types of gametes in dihybrid cross. This F2 generation is count with the help of checkerboard methods, and these checkerboard methods produce this capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, produce 4 types of gametes. The gametes are capital R, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small r. Therefore, produces the 4 types of gametes in F1 generation, and selfing of this F1 generation obtaining F2 generation. This F2 generation is produce F2 generation with the help of checkerboard methods, obtaining F2 generation. This F2 generation is count in dihybrid cross. The mating is takes place male and female plants. The gametes capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small y, small r. Same in female and male, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small y, small r. Selfing is takes place in F2 generation, obtaining 16 plants. The first one, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. This first plants produce round yellow seeds. Round yellow seeds are obtaining the help of F2 generation. Checkerboard method is used, and this capital R, capital Y, capital Y. First plants is a round yellow. The second capital R, capital Y, small y. Same, the round yellow plants is produces round yellow seeded plants is produces. Next one, capital R, small r, and capital Y, round yellow. The fourth plant, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, round yellow. Next one, the capital R, capital Y, small y, round yellow. Next one, capital R, small y, plant is obtained round green seeded plant. Round and green seeded plants. Next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, round yellow. Next one, capital R, small y, round green plants. Next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, the plant is obtained round yellow. Next one, the capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, round yellow seed plant is obtaining. Next generation, small r, and capital Y. The small r is a wrinkled seed shape, and yellow colored seeds are produces. Next one, small r, capital Y, small y, another wrinkled yellow seeded plants is produces. The next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, round yellow. Next plants, capital R, small y, round green seeded plants is produces. Round and green seed plants is produced. Next one, small r, capital Y, small y, wrinkled yellow seeded plants is produces. And last one, small r, small y, this only one recessive character is expressed in F2 generation, and this plant is wrinkled green plant, wrinkled green plants. Only one this wrinkled green plants is produces. The F2 generation is obtaining with the help of checkerboard method. There are several 16 plants is obtained, and the 9 plants is produces round yellow seeded. 3 plants is round green colored seeds are obtaining. 3 plants is produces wrinkled yellow seeds, and only one wrinkled green plant is produces. In dihybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio, in dihybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio obtain the round yellow plants or round yellow seeded plants is produces 9 round green plants, obtaining 3 plants wrinkled yellow plants 3, and last one wrinkled green plant only 1. The ratio of obtained F2 generation is the phenotypic ratio 9:2, 3:2, 3:1. The dihybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio is obtaining, and this phenotypic ratio is 9:2, 3:2, 3:1. This is the dihybrid cross. In this lecture, we have learned the dihybrid and monohybrid cross. In monohybrid cross experiment, select the only one pair of contrasting character, and obtaining the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. And dihybrid cross, there are several plants is obtaining, 16 plants is produces, and dihybrid cross means phenotypic ratio in dihybrid cross is obtaining by 9:2, 3:2, 3:1.